Hello everybody, I am at Walmart and we are here to do some Walmart Ibotta deals. I actually got some pretty good deals that I'm excited for. I do not know if I have a weekend warrior yet. I do have like that one bonus where I need 42 rebates and I only have 9 and I need it by what, the 17th or something like that. So very rare that that's going to happen, but I have my shopping buddy with me. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So we're going to go inside. Hi. 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 So we're going to go inside and show you guys some of the deals that we're going to do. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my Walmart Moneymaker Ibotta haul. I was pretty excited with everything that I got. There was a couple items that really were surprised and I was just like, all right. But the first thing I want to say is thank you guys for everybody who commented the secret word last week, pickles. Anybody who commented pickles was in a drawing to win these reusable bags that I get from IKEA. And then, yeah. So basically, I'm going to announce the winners from last week's drawing for the word pickles. So if you guys do win, all you have to do is just message me either on Instagram, Facebook, send me an email, however you want to communicate with me. And I just need your address and I will send you guys 3 of these bags. And so this week's winners are Michelle Collins, Tracy Tran, I know you, I know you. And then I want to say this name and I'm gonna botch it. I'm sorry, but it's Chichu Matt, C-H-I-T-U Matt, Chichu. I'm sorry if I bash your name. It's sorry. You know, people have bashed my old maiden name before too. So anyways, if you guys are the 3 people that I named, please send me a message and I will send you the bags. And trust me, you guys, I got a whole bag full of these, so I will be giving these out again. So I'm going to do one more week of winners, one more week of this drawing, and then I will come back in a couple more weeks and do some more winners. So today's secret word is going to be, I don't know, I was trying to think, a lot of you guys like pickles. I did, the other word was rubber ducky. I was thinking of doing fruit snacks, but then I'm like, no, I need something better. I'm gonna think of a name. And bunions. Let's do the word bunions. Like, you know how people are like, oh, I got some bunions. Not onions, bunions. Like, you know, your feet. Let's just do the secret word is bunions. Doesn't matter how you guys spell it. I know everybody spells it differently, but bunions. Okay, so this was an awesome haul for me. I think I was trying to wait to see what the weekend warrior was. By the time I was pretty much done shopping, it finally showed up where I needed 18 rebates to get the $5 bonus. I'm like, I'm not gonna hit 18. I think I ended up getting 14, and I'm just like, we'll just do 14. But this is a great deal if you guys haven't done it. Now my store actually has a frozen food clearance section. Now they had pies. They had pumpkin pies up the wazoo. They had the Marie Calendar pies and they had the Walmart brand pies, and then they had another kind of pies for $1. $1. So I ended up getting myself a pumpkin Marie Calendar pumpkin pie for $1, and I'm like, yes. But right above it, they had these pizzas, Daye. We actually got a freebie of the cheese not that long ago, but this is the vegetable crust pizza made with cauliflower, sweet potato, and spinach. It is a meatless pepperoni with jalapeno. I thought, let's see what this is. So this was marked for $1, and I'm like, wait a minute, that name sounds familiar. So I went and just grabbed it and I scanned it with the Ibotta app, and there is a $2.50 rebate for this pizza alone. So right here is a $1.50 profit that you would get just from this pizza alone. Well, it did say it was a limit of 5, so I bought 5 of them, you guys, because number one, I know my father-in-law and my mother-in-law would eat these up like crazy. So I ended up getting 5 of these pizzas, and I'm on top of the bag right now, but I got 5 of them, okay? 5 of these for $1. So I paid $5 for it, but I ended up getting $12.50 back just for buying 5 of them. But if you guys have it, if you guys can check it out, let me show you the UPC code. If you guys can see it, you can maybe scan it with your phone if you can. But there's the numbers. These were $1. you get a $2.50 back. So these were $1.50 profit for each one. So either get a $1.50 moneymaker, or towards what I got is I got $12.50 back. So these came out to be a $7.50 moneymaker for me buying 5 of them. I'm just like, what are the odds of that? Like, that was awesome. So I ended up buying those. I don't know if Grandma will eat them. I might not eat them, but I know my in-laws will probably eat them. Otherwise, if not, I have neighbors who will probably take it. The next deal we got is the Daring, the lemon and herb plant chicken pieces. Now, my store had some of these for regular price and some of these were $3 on clearance. So I'm like, wait a minute, there is a rebate with Ibotta. So I ended up scanning it and there was only a $1 rebate with Ibotta. But when I went to the Shopkick app, there was 365 points you'd get for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.46. And I'm like, sweet, that comes out to be 54 cents. But as I was submitting my receipt, it actually showed up as 450 points for purchasing and scanning the product. So I actually got $1.80 back with the app, making this just 20 cents. 20 cents for a thing of frozen food. I think that is a pretty decent deal. So I ended up getting that just because, and those 2 deals were not deals that I was going to do originally. It's just because of the Ibotta deal. I'm like, sweet, we're going to do it. So I was super excited for that. But now we're going to go to the regular items and share with you on that. So I didn't have any more Peely coupons of these Veggie Craft pasta. Now, for a while there in the Fetch Rewards app, it was in there, and then it was gone, and then it was Meijer only. And I'm like, okay, well then all of a sudden, Walmart popped back up, and it said like I already redeemed one, and it's been around for like the last month. I'm like, no, it hasn't. So like, I don't know what was going on. But anyways, this was $2.98. You'd pay $2.98 for it. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 98 cents. But with Fetch Rewards now, it is limit 1 per purchase. It does have a limit of 5. But it's 1 per purchase. I know, you guys, don't get sad. But you get 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards, which is $1.50. So this comes out to be a 52-cent moneymaker for that deal. If you guys do have any of those Peely coupons, it comes out to be a $1.52 moneymaker, which is a great deal. I ended up getting the red lentil Barilla pasta. This was $2 and I'm losing my voice. $2.48. You'd pay $2.48 for it, but then there is a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.23. So if you guys need some pasta, those are usually items that I donate to the food shelter anyways. I got myself some marshmallows. I forgot to take it out of the bag. Yes. I wanted the craft marshmallows, but they only had those, so we'll just see how those taste. I got myself some Love's diapers. These were $5.47. I got $2 back with Ibotta, making this $3.47. So it's an okay deal. Not the greatest, but hey, I needed some of those diapers because Charlotte's just not ready to be potty trained yet. So yes. Okay, I got some more deals for you guys. More deals for you guys. Okay, so the first deal I got was the Moderna. Now this coupon did not scan because it's a high value coupon, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up, and I think the coupon ends in a couple days anyways. So this was $9.42. You want to use a $7 off insert coupon. You'd pay $2.42. But then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this a 58-cent moneymaker. So yes. So as you guys know, the KY, I don't know what it is with condoms and KY, like Ibotta, you just were really making us feel lonely here. But anyways, I got the KY warming liquid. Now I originally got the jelly one. I did take a picture of it. It was like $4 and what was it? It was $4.54, and then I was going to use that $3 off printable coupon. And then I saw this as I was walking away, and this one is $3.97. I did scan this with the coupons.com app to make sure that this coupon would work with the printable one that I had also. So this is warming liquid, turn up the heat, for $3.97. I use that $3 off printable coupon. You would just pay 97 cents, but then there is a rebate with Ibotta. It was only a limit of one, otherwise I was going to get more. But you get a $3 rebate with Ibotta. So this comes out to be a $2.03 moneymaker. So hopefully you guys have some good times, you know, good times. I ended up getting the Sweet Tarts Mini Chew. This is over by the box cereal. Box candy. This was just $1. You'd pay $1 for it, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 50 cents. So we got that also. But then there's a little bag. These are the Fruit Punch Medley. They are a candy shell, crunchy bits, and soft, chewy center. I bought these for the kids for Christmas and I haven't opened them yet. But this was $1.48. You'd pay $1.48, but then there's a 50-cent rebate, making this 98 cents. These were up by the cash registers, up by the candy. So I did it that one. Then I ended up getting the St. Joseph Low Dose Aspirin. This was $4.42. I had a $2 off insert coupon that we got from our inserts, I don't know what day, but you would pay $2.42 for this. But then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this bottle just 92 cents for 120 coated tablets. Yes, 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 yes. I feel like there's one more on the desk that I didn't grab. Okay, no. Then we got a couple more items to share with you guys. I did go over by the clearance stuff to see if I could get more of this John Frieda, but it was completely all gone. Totally fine. There's people just standing there, and I was trying to get around them, but they just wouldn't move, so we had to go around, and it was just like, okay. So, funny thing is, my store, they were moving stuff around. They moved, like, all their cleaning products away. And when we get there, it's the shoes and then it's the cleaning products. The shoes were completely gone. There was not one shoe anywhere in sight. I didn't see them anywhere in the store. I don't know if they were like redoing that whole floor because it's got a special floor to it or not. I have no idea. But then they did move all the cleaning products. So it got moved around, switched around. But this was $1.82. You would use a 50-cent off insert coupon that we got from our inserts, I think last week. You would pay $1.32 for this, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 82 cents. So it has been a long time since I bought cleaner, and I think that's like the 3rd or 4th week in a row that I have bought toilet cleaner, which is nice to go straight to your stock pile. Now, I saw a couple people posting that there is a 5 off of 2 Dove coupon when you sign up for their emails. So I did sign up for their email, and I swear it said 4 off of 2 when I was about to print it off, and then when I printed it off, it showed it was 5 off of 2. I don't know if I'm losing my mind or not, but that's just the way it is. But I ended up getting the Dove lotion. I'm right here, baby. These were $6.48. I did use that 5 off of 2 Dove printable coupon. I just went to Dove, signed up for their email. They sent me a coupon in the email, and I got it right away. The coupon did beep. It does say off of any Dove product, so that's why I used it. So they ended up entering it in. So $6.48. I used that 5 off of 2 printable coupon. You would pay $7.96, but then you get $2 back and $2 back with Ibotta. And then with Shopkicks, you get 405 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.62, making it $2.34 or $1.17. But when I was submitting my receipt through Shopkicks, it actually showed 650 points for purchasing and scanning the product. So that comes out to be $2.60. $2.60. So this ends up becoming just $1.38 or $1.36 or 60. Oh, thank you. You made me some cake? Oh, no. That's pie. No, gone. Oh, it's gone? Oh, okay, okay. But anyways, it comes out to be $1.38 or 68 cents each if you want to go ahead and do that. Yeah. Those are toothbrushes. I'll take these. I'll take the cards, but you can have those. We just went to the dentist this morning. Okay, and then the next deal I was actually really excited for is this Garnier Fructis. Now, these were both $2.50. I don't know if they were on clearance because they still had the yellow tags on them, but these were both $2. These were both $2.50 for the both of these. And I did price check through the app, and yes, y'all, opening it for you. They just don't make it easy to open toothbrushes, kid. So I did price check it, but then we have that 4 off of 2 insert coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So I ended up using, there you go, baby. I ended up using that 4 off of 2 coupon. So I paid $1 for the both of these, but you get $2 back and $2 back when you buy the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean product. So you get $4 back. So right there is a $3 moneymaker. But I also received a $2 bonus for purchasing 2 of the Garnier products. So that comes out to be a $5 moneymaker. And then there was a 10-cent hair care any rebate. So $5. I got paid $5 to buy these. $5 to buy these. I'm like, so wait, we're going to go ahead and do that. So that was my haul, you guys. I was trying to find the Revlon lip matte lip crayon or whatever. At my store, I could not find it. If they had it, I did not find it. And then I wanted to get the Splenda, but my store just, I'm like, and I should have gotten it, but I just like, So that was my haul. My total came to $37.50 for everything. I did receive $35.85 back with Ibotta. I received, you know what? I totally forgot to check something out. I did receive $35.85 back with Ibotta. With Fetch Rewards, I received 1,647 points, which is $1.64. I got it for the Veggie Craft, and then I also got points for the 2 Dove, and then I got points for one more item that I bought, and I can't remember what it was that I got the points for. Oh, the Lysol. And then with Shopkick, I received 1,155 points for purchasing and scanning the products, which is $4.62. And then I forgot to add that I did get a $2 bonus with Ibotta for buying the 2 products. So my total came to be a $6.61 moneymaker. I am absolutely loving it. So if you guys need some easy freebies, definitely check out the Garnier Fructis if you can try to find a deal for that. Do the KY. This deal does end pretty soon. Check your clearance for the frozen food if you guys can go ahead and do that. But other than that, and the Veggie Craft is also free. But I'm pretty excited with all the money makers and the freebies that I got. This is worth it when you can get couponing super cheap. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.